YouTubians and styrene addicts! Welcome to this Saturday morning. I'm your host Gary G, me and all the production team behind the camera.
I'm over here.
Yeah, there's so many of them. We hope you have a nice weekend beginning. Today we work on the body of the 69 Camaro, but first as always, the riddle. Alright, here in the garage, yeah, we have to lower the body a little bit so it has a better stance. So we do that by making some side skirts. That's our first thing that we do here in the shop. We went with some really simple side skirt. We just glued on a strip of styrene, and on the inner side we did a couple strips as well, so it had a little bit more of a appealing design, so to speak. What I really like on those old muscle cars is how wide and how long they were, and to even go a little bit deeper with that effect, I opened here the rear light so it had more a wide appearance. The new rear light was simply made by taking a styrene strip, which fitted in, and put on some bar metal foil, and over that of course I had to put on some red foil, and that's pretty much it. I fixed some of the little fitting issues with the front bumper. And then I was ready to mount the front spoiler. I'm not a big fan of those rear bumpers, so they're a little bit clunky to me, so I did my best to make them a little bit more stylish. And first I had to cut off those super big clunkiness things. Yeah, that's just, I like them way better. If there is enough material on the grill, always try to sand it until you actually can see through, which is a lot of work, but it's definitely worth it after all. But that's all to the bodywork so far. Now to the riddle. Well, that's all for this week. I hope you liked the build so far. Stay tuned in for more. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. That would be really nice of you. If you with us since day one, thank you so much for your loyalty. Stay safe. Till next time, you Gary G. Bye, y'all.
Oh. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Okay. Another episode of Car Dreams in Styrene is over. We had a lot of fun to do it. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I hope you could take something out for yourself or as an interesting as
Production.
Order is important.
Production failure. Okay.
First push, then clap. Anyways. Well, another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over. I hope you could take something out of it for yourself, for
I hope you got something out of it.
Got something out of it. Okay. Well, another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over. I hope. Okay.
Is it over?
It's over. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Take 500,057.
Well. Another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over. I hope you could got something out of it. You could. Well. Another episode of Cut Dreams in Styrene is over it. I hope you got something out of it. Maybe it was a little bit entertaining for you as well. Don't start giggling. Don't forget to tune in next Saturday.
Do you know what you said?
No.
Another episode of Car Dreams in Styrene is over it.
Oh, man.
Are you over it, Car Dreams in Styrene?